So AI has been helping us developers to build and ship things much faster than before, but building things faster doesn't necessarily mean that we're building the right things. That's why I personally like products like Codalio so much, because it focuses on figuring out what we should build at the beginning rather than jumping into the code right away. So that's why today I wanted to show you how it works. Here I have my prompt prepared for my idea. My idea is some sort of creator idea bucket application. We can call it creator idea bucket or SIP. Let's see how it works. It's going to go through my idea and it's going to extract all the requirements and specifications and even the gaps. It is going to score my idea. If it is prepared to build, it will going to prepare the PRD document. If not, it's going to ask me questions to clarify what we should build. Let me see what it is asking. So as you can see, it has asked some very smart questions about what the product is going to be, the actual user pain point, how it is going to work and function. I have answered those, and let's click submit. So it asked me a couple of more questions, and now the PRD is generated. It is still asking more questions to make the PRD more completed. This is exactly what most non-technical founders are missing when trying to create their product using AI. But as you can see, this is such a complete PRD. It is just amazing. We have our target audience. It has even broken down the project into 3 different phases of implementation. We have key features with user flows. For each key feature, you can go through it to make sure it aligns with your vision. And not only that, you have the design documents, you have market sizing, and even technical requirements. You can see what it would cost you to build it manually or what it would cost you to build it using Codalio. And you even have your architecture document. This is just amazing. I love this data model, and it is going to be super useful. I actually went through the whole PRD, and it is so complete, so precise, and aligns so well with my vision. And this is the feature that made me fall in love with the product, because as a developer, it would take me 1 or 2 weeks to create this for myself or my clients. And if you're a non-technical founder, it would take you it would cost you thousands of dollars to get a developer to create this for you. And as I said, 1 or 2 weeks at least. But Codalio just created this in a couple of minutes. That is just amazing. So now that we passed all these measures, we can continue to creating the UI prototype. Well, after some chat with AI, this is the UI it generated. I would say it turned out kinda better than what I expected. Let's log in. Yeah, I'm totally happy with the results. I'm not going to continue into generating the backend code, but you can, if you like. You can also deploy your application later. They actually build the backend using Rhino, and this is actually what they use themselves for creating the platform itself. So I would say that they are pretty confident in their product. If you're working on a software idea, whether you're a technical person or a non-technical person, I would say that Codalio is an investment that is totally worth it.